Alright friends, I'm here in my grow room, getting ready to water. All of these things have just come off the heat in some of them the last few days. This one just this morning. Many Sweet Williams, another Sweet William. I just took this off this morning, so that's why they're kind of, the seedlings are kind of not yellow, but they don't have green. They aren't greened up because they've been they're just being born. And here is Rebecca, another Sweet William. What is this? That's a Sweet William. Down here we have lots of Rebecca's. Look at that. See how dry? And so we are up and running with cool flowers. Getting ready to water this morning. I could spend all day in this grow room, y'all, but I don't. I drop in first thing in the morning like I am now. I water, move everybody around if they need to be moved, and then I see them again tomorrow morning. No helicoptering, y'all.